Tonight, I'm going to show you everything you need to make candy corn truffles. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. Well, compadres, I had a nice little break, but now I'm back. It wasn't all fun and games, though. Things were hopping here in the candy kitchen. I have some new ideas, some new recipes, and we're charging ahead with not one, not two, but 3 recipes today, all of which involve candy corn. Welcome to RMC's Candy Corn Rehabilitation Series. Candy corn gets a bad rap, and I think it's often because of the texture, so I've found or developed a few recipes that keep the flavor while minimizing the waxy buildup. Let's see how they turn out. I was hoping to find a way to incorporate candy corn into truffles, and I found a recipe on the Brock's website that I thought would be perfect. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own candy corn truffles, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. For this recipe, I used 36 vanilla sandwich cookies, 1 8-ounce package of softened cream cheese, 1 cup of candy corn, and some orange, yellow, and white candy melts. I also used a cookie crusher, a bowl, a spatula, a cutting board, some parchment, a scoop, some plastic bags, and some precision dipping tools. Okay, let's make some candy. Cut or blitz the candy corn into small pieces. Crush the sandwich cookies. Feel free to use a food processor if you'd prefer. Combine the cream cheese, crushed cookies, and chopped candy. A spatula is fine, but if you really want a thorough mix, you need to get your hands dirty, or your gloves, as the case may be. Scoop the mixture, roll it into a ball, then place it on the lined cutting board. Continue with the rest of the mixture. Place the truffles in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. Melt 16 ounces of the orange candy melts according to the directions on the package. Coat one of the centers, let the excess drain, then place it on the lined cutting board. Continue with the rest of the centers. Melt the yellow and white candy melts, drizzle them onto the coated truffles, then leave them to set. And that's it. Okay, let's have a taste. Sláinte vá. This is really nice. The cookies and the candy corn both have a vanilla flavor, but they're different enough to complement and not clash. And the cream cheese, it gives a nice little tangy kick that keeps the truffles from being too sweet. If you're looking for a treat that combines cookies and candy corn into something fun and festive, you really ought to try these. Welcome to No, don't do that. Welcome to RMC's Candy Corn Rehabilitation. Tonight, I'm going to show you everything you need to make... No, that's not what I'm going to do. Dang it.